If your Stripe bank account isn't connecting, or it keeps failing during setup, yeah, that can block your payouts completely. Let's fix it fast. First, make sure your bank is actually supported by Stripe. Not all banks work with instant connections, especially smaller or regional ones. If instant connection fails, don't worry, just add your bank manually. Enter your account number and routing details instead of logging in. Double check everything. Even a small mistake can cause failure. Make sure your name matches exactly with your bank account. Using a VPN, that might be the issue. Stripe can block connections if your location looks suspicious. Sometimes it's just a browser problem. Try Chrome, Edge, or even your phone. Clear your cache and cookies before trying again. Old session data can interfere with secure connections. If you're using instant login, make sure your bank credentials are correct. Wrong passwords or security blocks will stop the connection. Still not working? Time to contact support. They can check if your account or bank has any restrictions. So try manual entry, check your details, disable VPN, and switch browsers if needed. That's how you fix Stripe bank connection issues fast and get your payouts working.